Hey guys, it's Glenn Stewart from the Horse Ranch up in northern British Columbia. Every summer here at the Horse Ranch we have what we call our horsemanship camps, and they last anywhere from 4 days to 8 days, 12, 16 days, up to a month long. Everybody's here for the same reason, to improve their horsemanship. A typical day for the student is they get up in the morning, go feed their horse, clean their pens. Then we meet at 9 o'clock around the campfire and we do a question and answer period. Then we head down to play with the horses, stop for an hour and a half for lunch, give everybody a rest, and then head back down from 1:30 to 4:30-ish and play with the horses again. And then the evenings are usually spent around the campfire talking about the woulda, coulda, shouldas and what they learned and the challenges that they had, and telling stories with new friends and like-minded people. Once you arrive at the Horse Ranch, it's nothing but eating, sleeping, and horsemanship. You can rent a room here at the Horse Ranch, or you can pull in with your camper. If you want to improve your horsemanship, join us here at the Horse Ranch for one of our camps or all of our camps. See you this summer.